It's a beautiful morning. This boardwalk has frost on it. It is cold. The great thing about cold mornings is that I can haul uphill as fast as I want to without overheating. I think my legs and my body are strong enough to do hills really, really well. Now, limiting factor is usually overheating. But hey, when it's 35 degrees, you don't really have that problem. So we can go as fast as we want to. Pretty nice. I think that's the area of the Goat Rocks that we hiked through the day before yesterday with Mount Adams in the background. I could be wrong. I'll have to compare the pictures later. Well, so I heard from Fugitive this morning via InReach, and she is still not feeling well. So she will not be joining me at Chinook Pass today. Tamara has very kindly offered to come get her and bring her to our house for the next 3 days, and then Fugitive will try to rejoin me at Snoqualmie Pass and head north. Hopefully she recovers and is able to do that, but it's not clear exactly what's wrong, so yeah, we'll just have to wait and see how that goes. I would, of course, prefer that she was feeling well and was able to hike this section with me, but I have to say I'm also going to enjoy hiking solo for a few days, and that's not a slam on fugitive at all. It's just that, you know, sometimes hiking solo is a good way to clear your head and really get in touch with your thoughts. So it's not all bad. I guess let's call it a silver lining. Silver lining is that I'll be hiking 100 miles solo. It is just a really big mountain. Technically, it's 50 feet lower than Mount Whitney in the Sierra, but you can barely tell where Whitney is because it's the same height as a bunch of the surrounding peaks. Whereas, there's absolutely no doubt which one is Rainier. And this is Dewey Lake. And of course, I had to go swimming. That's Dewey Lake from above as we climb the ridge. Chinook Pass. Or the road leading up to it anyway. Sheep Lake, north of Chinook Pass. There's Mount Adams and Goat Rocks in the distance. And Chinook Pass. This is the Norse Peak burn in the Norse Peak Wilderness. This one will go on for a while, several miles, I think. I don't remember exactly.